was one of Pablo Escobar's favorite houses. That property has his daughter's name, Manuela, and was built on a 7-hectare plot of land. It had a soccer field, a swimming pool, a heliport, a tennis court, a dock for seaplanes, and walls with double bottoms that were used as codes for money from the drug trafficking business. The house of the leader of the Medellin cartel had a security force of 120 hitmen. In 1993, Manuela's farm was bombed by a criminal group called the Peps. Pepes means persecuted by Pablo Escobar. Today, it belongs to the Colombian state. Yes, gentlemen, it never came to be inhabited. On his third visit, wanted to know how it was looking, but it was bombed.
Ay, esa creo que era. Pues ya está pintada.